position woni bra ya bre o ya bre party no na wo hin ya bre party for association for no ya bre party no na wo ne wo ba ya o na be kire de enye even when they know deep down in their hearts say what they are doing is wrong, but because they believe say omo buy na benti they have to also enjoy obientia o obientia say wa buy beba na be enjoy because you hwehwem ade no on be panin saka it is sometimes my point is ni bi edidi jamo ya na mbuofu no dana me buofu say adentina awase munyina asate mo muhia ma ho ode ni de omu bai nene ya mapoto awia afeda ayeden awase mudi bi ade am say there be also okofa ki mu yesey, but it doesn't give you the authority say ade enya odia no opese chenchina achi okofa because we abaya body your private business. There's no sense in it. There is no sense in it at all. Nyansa kete credit him say obi bi obaya na adwen say ma abaya ba so at the end of the day say abaya ba dia ade ni say ade nsaka cry was ade nsaka because all in the name of ya ban na aba. How? And of course MPP ni mua saba be DNDC to say ya there of course but this time round no you too much. And I was yes I call Pambo be free National Health Insurance Office and I say MCB ya there say what is that? Huh? What is that? You too one too many. Dosu ba kumienu bebre our video that show that you dey who exactly what happened. Just say make you want me to say. So the fact that any panel ye MC ya ofru party munku ade sebi ezenhunu bia so. And lo and behold, moka some de musabeke kanam pen yampa. Bono musako akwa keka no. Ampen yampa ni yampa. Bono musako keka no. And me sadi ene die. Enya dia am so. No, sometimes I had that how to communicate it. Sometimes people also in a stream party executives in the name. Now the way na man is shocking me crying say nanka map grassroots and party or more non fancy or more many executive position no more munye now if you are ni as executive the way the executives na ankasa and the executives na ankasa na hesadi. What is wrong with us? They said to Nipa say, do what is right. Do what is right there. Mom penasem. Why? They don't know. Yeah, what is right. Me say there's no justification or whatsoever to this. Bibia ni wa. Yeah, they be down same way be ye. Let's go a spade. Na mo ye due mo ho, mo ye due bododo. Ghana property yan this for there. Mati asema meka kire mu no. Ani Ghana for property no. Enye party bi there o. Semuni mu a. Mo pese mo fa akwani ase bia so misbehave because somebody don't want you to use the properties of the public. Mona music boto music na this for them your contribution exists those facilities there, then we have those qualms. But once it's not for you, and there is no way say a party Japadia, there is no way out on Sabeka an MC or a DC or government appointee hwe ade ba ko hu no after that be ameko eba ne abe na party some or then say you wani was sell life forever. Ya be na party some yanko kan fie honorable we dey bro so na mo be patch up or don patch us na kokote because ye this buy ye buy the buy onim time aye bre na way. Sometimes the behavior is getting out of hands. Video do abibi mianhwe bi na chefo hu do mu ye the way any thing. Na national head. Echina MC. Ade chance CEO bi. And na ade money structure e party ni mana. You guys don't have structure in your party. The party is there king na. They lay down rules the constitution that is a party in buying. The constitution that's guiding the principles, the ideas of the party. No, I know they move from when you're young. I think Obiodun and Saveka governor appointee Biano. You buying a state against the person. We should deal with some of this miscreant and stop say a party then go for because so yes sir. MC or DC or MMDC is for no money vim no. Akobasa what you do they say. Oh ne munyusu because on person obey on popular bi or ko vision said there be oba be PMPB and oba pe position bi and you koya obey on popular. It is obey and say any sad ya munyusu. We cannot allow this to happen. I think the state should take it on. Now you discipline those people. Say they be in San Juan, Yama one up so or yes I didn't. What is going on? I don't know. There be any akobu way, there be any akoye way. Nya, but them party office them be shini na kram de nyamasem. And na ya koye way, e china ya fa ade chan say ade. Ade enko a. Ah, ade enko a. Kwame anapa machi.
Obeni mejoso.
Nempom ti say.
Sheda nye boko sadie.
It's understandable.
Yeah, nyame afam bude fine ati ase but ni perform no. Obeni sheda nye boko. Sheda nye boko because we are starting the day on the sad and the bad note. Obeni sheda nye but for God and country. What you now say?
What the adom let me tie apam dada. See soon the be so argument you say jai.
Yes.
Very sad.
Very.
But we move. So Kazopina and Como we move.
Yes. Paibi.
Paibi. We move.
And easy.
We are very fine.
I thought I would near my original Nancy. Tina say, Tia, see you cry, said you fast or cry day. Cause just one day pay. Unka be shame opening, nashim. I roho. Baby Kazupi will be may he rest well. I'm near Waffle.
Yametiasi.
I'm near Waffle. And Obeni, I just won't send me okay. In himself, the last time be. Na make a year quabri is sem no me boss so say I just want so dear ebo boba kakranka krasa and he said ene ababe boom no na obeni airtime the audacity a party money be enya thinking say Ghana nyina shomunsa because of party and a war power thinking say Ghana your dear because of my party and a war power. Thinking say emra enye juma biem because say my party na war power no. Ya na airtime. Airtime papa. Kwaya mabunu bi e behave wabra wo mo party our power no time a bon and it only tells some of us to say Safui they are nowhere near say we are ready to be to me occupy position because we are ready to be to me occupy position opini ungo to anamoya what to you because I want to occupy position or china be obi so de be wa saying and I will be see afa no saying na will be see afa no obadwene say nipa na mpe wa asem otan wa na say ne city because the omokoye no de nyansa ne ntiase bi anim tiase bi anim mo party structures nti party structures no de wosenka mo deal with mo ne o mo face head on baby amodi kopie ende makopie mu aban institutions mu nti menyimi ni say aban panyifo beka say we party assembly enkoka no fie because o man tra free party sense mu ene o de ba aban ensem mu na ba aban so a Ghana fo nyina ti baby obedi sa nsem hunu no ne anamo na otu ye no ni nipa no ode ne nsa kan no nipa no sa time no onye ndc ni o Ghana ni osanso ya aban nipa aban ena ama no kwan so onko disa adwuma na odi no. It's very sickening say 21st century baby ayadri and never be ayadri 2026 na still ya dasonya party masay ya kwa abontia kwa kodisa nsem hunu yi ya kwa abontia kwa kodisa nkwase asem yi ya kwa abontia kwa kodisa animgu asem yi ya kwa abontia kwa kutua na mo adwene ne nyansa enim ya kwa abontin kutua na mo a se obiti baby nanka obepe abaina sem krana na ama wasanya different opinion and view enye fine enye fe emabuna ya ba enye sei na wose yetu ya namo enye sei na wose yetu ya namo enye sei na wose yetu ya namo ere enye sei nso na wose ye kasa de kire aban no anase party mpenifo nye kwan afa so kasa kire party mpenifo ni na se party mpenifo kra nso be ka no kra na enye nya atwomsem ena omo beye na enye bia adwuma no no munnim na se enye se bia Ghana mra no mummu a ka mo amutu sa na moyi ka wose wo makwan na mra no nimu di na wonu mo mu wa akiri no dia sua nyansa hunu se ani party wo ho aban so wo ho ena mra nso wo ho nti se o ma ne tra party nsensem na odi be pie mu ba bia ni wo kwan se odi pie mu a awose mra ene wudi awose mra no de wo fa kwan a wose de wo fa so cause me ntiase na me ntumi ntiase nso se sa ne mayida so ekoso enemre me ntiase kra na me hu se de mi sinchire mu krampo because abura adwene ne ntiase so se ubetu sa na moyi
I'm saying so my beche boys ni bi na ya mo mu be zere na me ka chewa e ko ba mo se omo penfo se omo be din community
penifo ben
I don't know
penifo ben
constituency ISA be a regional bebe enti ya mo be de but ene no mo be di honkomo
enti we kire
won sare na de bia me
yes enti we Kwame we kire nimu a empenifo na nkasa wo mu di sa constituency no ne sa assembly na nim no wo mu nim o mu adwuma no mu nim se mra e wo Ghana na o mu ni obuo bia e de Ghana mra ne Ghana constitution eno bia ntumi nka nkire me se sa mpanyifo ne akandifo no mo wo hono me na ne wo me se asem ne ye koka no ofie no bibia ni ho a kire se wo mu bu Ghana mra because the mabunu no koye ye mrantie no koye ye no Ghana mra no mo mfa buo ba kokura se amma Ghana mra no wo mo mu Ghana mra ne ba ku sei se e wo ho na ye adwuma na de mpedifo no so eye ma ye ti ase se bibia ntumi nsi wo Ghana ha so we MPP ni ana we NDC ni ana se wo dom party a wo ye party ba sebe wo din kwase asema enkosi aga but me Kwame eja akode se nka me wo so ho na ye nimme se me ye party ba me kuta card ana me bear card bi ena na mo no mo kotu ye me kotu the same anamo a nka ne komo arrange me kra de me court
process on tente
komo arrange me de me court nti ebi ye nipa chain bi sana mo pa se mo pese mo ka kire yen ebi ye nipa chain bi ebi di mu chain bi ebi mu asefata chain bi munim se de mo ye yi nyina ne ana mo ya mo tu se mo koshia na mo di ho komo no mu di yen Ghana fatem. And the Biameka, it is because we don't demand serious accountability in firm free sampany for you. Because what to hold on nim the omoya yen so in Misashi near Jao no to Hosa. To the omo peno, no more ye. The omo peno, no more ye. No my sa Nagana no. Na koye enkobesi. Enkobesi. Yakoya yasiaba. Obradi edi edrechiri ti yekwani asaba besi echi yekwani aba besi echi. It doesn't sound well. It doesn't send good message to a mofrana na yetiti omo nso esi so eba no. It doesn't send a good message to ye dachi mofrano. Ye ma mofrano nsua biribi emfa mfiri the laws of Ghana emu. Ye mam mofra de ehunu say ensese wudi anase wutu na mo bi wo mem ha nyasa wutu a emra ene obedi but ye ka kire obo ne say bomode an say obe belong to party bi afin so bomode an say obenim obi na wonim nipa no de a udi bone a enkosi ba bia enko ba bia sa ne e pa aka. It's very 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 disheartening say sani ma yina ekoso e wo ye ma Ghana ha no Kwame
one of the things Andra na ye di unkomo so okay before that so that is just situation no and that was screen so no the national chairman ma NDC they say do ketia. And you know himself was sharing to us that told now is about thank you to and to Omunam Cobon region, Omukwaha or Baha, Realm Ashanti region. Now, one of the areas are now also Johnson and Sidun Ketia, Echo Air Northeast region. The preparation was underway. The Omana call for intelligence. I got died almost no. Over the current situations now over and boko soldier for eco pie nipa bi jagu soldier for castle G rifles near the no. It is not safe for him to go there because soldier for that don't bet to him say what they are at most. Say police for go cross soldier for that room because of go born by. Soldier for no call na anuma de ya dwagu mu so ametututu abam civilians ewu ama wona oyo ma dwen so ba attack soldier for no so bia because the soldiers also have to defend themselves. It's a quiet to mamento. And if that being the case, then it will be hard for a year such trip no bema as you get here. And for now, to me, it is not even safe. It is not safe. Say obeko baby to say boko no akwa akwaye gathering na eso sa. I don't know. Me, it's not wise. And yet, wait, and a mammy catcher Northeast for say. So my idea omo ye ya mpuntu odi ebe dio because contractor crackers or no suru. You don't know when now obi be jina baby atu tutu da ebia ba beka ho. That is why we always say te banyo mabasa na ye kan say ye ya. It's not just for saying sake, but it's for development. Krobia to kwesi so development catchy. So if we can settle the difference between us, especially youth near the moyes edgeman, and I am yanu. But be an to kwabeko be a him for be omadi 89, or be a 70 something, or be a 100 and something da. No more konya baba for young guys. Any young girls. 21, 20, 19, 30, 40. No one ever can go and talk about Momo. Omoma be dio munchina, baby omadru no mukwe. Then you see the young people with future. Near deploy omu. Hey. Ne tuatu. Onkwa die bia na ufie nye. Etuotua. Na akato life short. So always I tell people, omdi ahensam do mudi die chire. Normally akobasa ahemfo no kura hu. Wada wo pere no wonwu. Wow, to baby a wo de ya cheche macho a wo se anu de akojeche ni wako nkwase wo kwa. It's not only, I'm not saying this on Northeast Income, but all over the country. Baby, I in some maintain one say currently Ghana, Sebeba interna, Aqua, I near na more. I need any terror to fight on territory and jurisdiction and no one queen. And the mebunu. That is my problem. The mebunu. Oh,
Kwame, it's very worrying. Say, ohe empumtu pa ne kese pa se beba baby bia na ejina him for.
Of course.
Because woman ne share asumdwe ase. Ewo biaya a womo. Ansa na asumdwe na transcend dia kwachiri. Ama ubi ehunu say, had the asumdwe wo ho ntimi kutu na mo bia. Ebeko ye asumdwe wo ho in the sense say ehensem bi eni ho nti se me ko bie company bi me ko ye investment bi e wo hodo mo a ochina bi me mmoka menya mfaso because eno na ye first na manfo edikan e check ye Kwame menu ya champion bebre se obi e ba be ye background checks ba ko mienu bi a first question Kwame obedi kan bi say on say na honum ehensem bia eni ho.
Oh yes. Security to say. Nti wohu odi mpumtuo na odi adwuma a ebe ma maburu no so anya adwuma ye na ma wo ehonum economy no so atumi apagya ne mu no eba no first thing you can bisa security ehonum ehe because Kwame ma tia ehonum ehensam bia ani ho wonya kokase o ehinsem baku anie duka daya emfa ho ni bebia wo ni na du enkomo na kwakoduru wa convince na ma na kwakoduru de obeka kire wa ne say obeni say ehinsem issue wo ho pa de a ontwe omma ontumi mebi ejuma no and Kwame say politicians yi na no sometimes ehimfofo yi na hwepo wo mutu line o himfufuo yi na toda wo mutumi tia wo mo atwe o madwene esinia maso se hey yepewe obetra so ache enu nti ye pese ye huru se we enya ba pe na pressure kakra ba beto politicians yi so nti ono so ekwa owo nananom backings owo nananom behind into okwa na no kasa na okwa akoka ne emoye du because onim se di okwa akopa nyina nananom taachire se nananom so taachire pe na mpanifo ne bia okwa akopa ade no so afiri no mo nso hu se okay we de enye normal politics no oba be ya na so obepa ne bibi na adi na mmom we de mpanifo taachire na tumi ama development na ba ye maburu no so kwa minim enkomo ya etoda mpedifo bi ni wo mu dia obehuna wa tudi achi sefa no hu
sem fa no hu se nipa na yede ne bedi akonwa no so yede busuani o so nim onye ne busuani o se nipa no yede ne bedi akonwa no emfaso onim ho hwi no atudi akyire adan a atutura sem no te ase onimdi ono na enim se de ekuta sekan enim se de esi pejabo de bobi etumi fa dua de bobi. It's very sad. Na Kwame woni ma hinsem yi nyina asemba akopa e ka kire ye nie. It means say Kwame na nanom epeso o mo ka kire ye say they've lost history. Because ye nim say ye be si hina Kwame ye the history de ye adwuma. Culture no ba bia ye hyase free ye why ne bedi ye efiri wa why ne di so sa. It means say ye mfa history enya adwuma biem. Yempesi e beji culture na tumu biem because ye ji culture tumu a eno ne be trace history ne ehunu say efiri ha ene beduru ha enti wei ene efiri so a obabe na enyaba sanso pe Kwame na kire say na nanom no wo mutumi no ye bre nase yempese wo mutumi no bedi adwuma biem because nananom tumi can exist when they know say ampa amamre ne amane no moye. Because se wonya ya amamre ne amamre ne amane no wonya ye ne pepepe sikim Kwame tumi ahodo nyina wa asase no so no wo mu nyina betai wachi wo mu nyina hyase bedi dwuma enunti obehu se de obeye bia na nam ni kwamu pepepe enunti na enne se binum ye biribi na mfa ya se o mayira wo mo amamre ne o mamane wo mayira wo mo culture enunti na namo na bi omutu no enkoyie no enunti e toda se wo ye MC kura na wo ye yibi kitu bi aba se wayira amamre quickly ni sankofa na dia babeshim ni ya danda ni o ma na bibia todin na ade na tumi akose de e wo se ye den eko na animonyam so a e wo se eba no na tumi anya sesei ya ma ahensem no ahwere na nimonyam animonyam a etai ahensem achiri ya hwere no because ye di nipa kunkum ne ye di asisie ye di sika ewuram ye di we ne ko school we ne ti sei saa na sesei ya sei biribia ye yure visu so say school so beto amamre school beto ayi ye culture school so beto ya history no entinke wase school no kra na e wase yedi bifu ye culture na nke dimu na ye fe nanso yedi ni nyina nso essay no no it's not too late to revisit history. It's not too late se bia moyira kwan kra mo besa akoso because as they say no kwasem ne say Kwame ahensem no eklemu lives more than anything. Ahensem no eklemu lives more than anything. Essential retarded development. To say boko na obia kaso betumi abodi. Boko a prime example. Ene oka se wo the teacher ni koho. No akwa enkoda wo mo ho no made. Sebe ya wo mo kina ebedimu ebesi ya. O se wo nya den onko. So oka se wo the nurse ni ekoho. Na emofra ne mabunu ni wo mo ho. Obekwa akwa omu no mo pomudine atumi agina yie asini nan so. No mo so atumi produce de wo so mo produce na atumi support the national economy na atumi support boko ho no mankasa manage na ne nan so a obeka kire o se onko if you say a honum security sem enkoyie enyina ne nan so onpeso obekọ ho na ochina bi obahwere ne nkwa onpeso obekọ ho na ochina bi ye kweka na woba be didem na busuafo aba be faka enne oka se would investor bi ekoboko no okwa ko bi adwuma na sefo a obeka kire wo se onko because ni sika is at stake no onpeso obekọ akoto ni sika nso de den atwene even enne se wo adamfo bi na ka se wo ware boko wanya yie wo boko ukodi dwuma bi wo boko onkonko jawa Kwame obeka kire wo se onko because a honum asumdie enni ho nti akwa ye say boko no wa betena honom no omo te wo ye omo akukuduro omo te wo eye womo atuo womo betena ho ye omo aduro womo betena ho ye womo atese womo mfa ho no mo like they don't care about the basic ni the bebia because excuse my language any sane being biam pese ode ne ho bekwa akobọ bokofo one bokofo benya any encounter on pese one bokofo kra like on beko nakra na ekwan bi so ene mama boko nso Kwame hwe emaya nso omo ho fe so obi be ware kra na onya tese obwei efiri boko a hey asamaba ebe send another message bi say we mu de say o musitie de o we ya ne tifie na dako wona ne nyansem bi a ara wo sani agu so akopa bibi de aba be pauti abe ye obibi oye be man so a na oba kosia no nya kase mifiri bokope. It is sending negative and bad messages about boko all of the time. Ni nyina ne se eye hensem. Ni nyina ne se eye hensem. Kwame me free boko so amede wo kɔ ye chi ha ya mfichire ha ya ba bia me no ye fi ba hanom sampa. Hwede ye no so akɔ sampa. Ye mfiri ho but se hona na ye be omo hona na ye butu edi djuma ti ye be omo aya border ayi town and Côte d'Ivoire ntinka was about this time what is Sampadia. It is the exchange of culture, it is the exchange of goods between Ghana and Côte d'Ivoire. It is said ye integrating ye can ye be a boom nothing so ye beautify a honum nanso ene woti ho dimpe ehinsem obi antumi nko even say who took one cry Côte d'Ivoire cry na people now don't want to use Sampa route no mo dey akwa kopie mu Côte d'Ivoire aden ehinsem adenya ehinsem now tell us, have we lost our culture? Have we lost the history now a guide yen near the sea hene near the two a hene ana ya yera frisa kwine sword na saying the city but Kwame nina twa babesi say at the end of it politics kakra ebata ho because NDC nimse me kota we akiri a na menya vote MPP nimse me kota we akiri a na menya vote nti okota we akiri a no fuele na we nso akota we akiri no fuele na akwakoda ni nsem se bebre. So you see politics at the end of it no ya shasian kakran ni nyina twa besi se politics esan eka ho because ukopie mboko a obenya NDC form so omo ha obenya MPP form so omo ha and because of political interest we are unable to tackle issues na what form honum said ye isitie head on na yem pe solution emfa masansem no nti ene na say akoto din kakra na pija ni mu ochina na say akoto din kakra na pija ni mu na obi de hye obi daache obi breadwinner obetene yes wa hwere ne nkwa enya yes apɛ Kwame edi pain akwa akɔhye abusua bi emu enya di pain kɔhye abusua ni mu nso pɛ na say nyamie mbamu a abusua no would want to have a revenge enti ochina bi enya pija kakra ɔkɔ akɔtete womo yes anu no akope omo nso hu nipa na akwa akoyi na firi ho afi na akwa akoda ne rivalry bi na eda ho. I think say ebraso say Ghana for na nanom ye were part to play timemufo ye were part to play politicians our part to play say yes ye pasumdwe a enya ba akofo wosi ye nyina ye kabom na fei babia ye befa ni babia asem no ewo no ye kanu se de sitie without favoritism, without any interest, without any bias babia da no ye mfanto de betumi aboa na yenya asumdue no so yemfamfa ho na yenya asumdue no na said the asem no sitie na na yatumi anya ne saa because nsem no de hayen hayen
very worried
na boman so
troubling
boman pa boman o boman ene nsem ti
but now drew municipal assemblies na on be catch you say on say they have budget is for a year security.
Yes.
A bedroom baby security secure was here the bob or mobile.
Asamba kunu akwa kopija no.
E traso ama Kwame go do baby a scare here for ya dia to for
development no. Near the security
ko bobu na dia ma security for.
Because sensumia ma wontumi develop it. Asumia ma wontumi develop it.
E dey todo bi kra public account committee no mbeba no. Sika on security ohwe babia ntokwa wo de mentem wase ho a ho so mankofo advantage mi di yanwoma wo ho pa.
Yes. Ye
nkofo yo mu hu ye wo ho pa but Kwame you cannot ultimately so depending reliable for anything because ntokwa ne koso nti o kire o se sika sei ne di wura ene di ewura na public account committee you have a bekofo bi obuba ya you so say na fuel so that time na election time to security for no on bi o muka no kwa ania yes o mo mu bu sei on say and obi o duru ania mu abu ubu anu abeka che no abu abu sei
because eduru hozo
give proper account
eduru hozo security for no so yes wo mu ko bu gallons see a o so beti say
now what you say advantage
share
now what you craft filling station craft no so
oh yes
attend and on operation
o me didi o me no
so be enjoy
o me didi o me no be o da
enti e ho ni de media da bia me ka kire mo sentokwa bawo area o ma politicians na yi wo ho tokwa bawo area politicians ni bi e be take advantage because ya da normally ya na yes na security sikadie yes dan counting na ti honde ye ni fu yes ye di nyina ko
je hode de nsa bomu a yes dan cheke
oh area bias MMDC bi ho a kire
David
over when into for
David
na munye na ye twe hu free side no it is worrying but for me there is a good news in say currently akosombo hono installations no munye kra biensa de mate substation no omatima yi bu be 3 and then so mugu so mo hihye enti ye dey some kind of relief be air brain na enra Kwame Kenya timetable na ke dey say ebenya we die say enra pa on and off me say Yahudum so dan enrade no wa na wa plans is papa BS so no we kra mam refrigerator kra man so na me buy sisi ada me kai
ani obekọ na we na say o
na say oh be dia na say
o beni
o mi no na say dia ya da ya da
oh na no so beti Richmond so ka o say obomodi a weekends no mu bi okro stew de ba no na edra onya break kakra no odwane akwa so okoye na de ni hukuru abranti a ne yem komche yi no abomodi anya okro stew di ba be di ne banku dum so ase
sisi we de masa o yesu jani na o ye stew bi amawa mesra wa me nyankopɔ di power chow
ai pena hunu se o gas no eya adwuma nti so ri anopa no wa hiti no bi so kakra na waka se fridge de ane oboa this awasa akotete de no kwa me anopa no wa hiti ne kakra no wa bi so na mfra ma fa so anajo the same thing that's how they have say no
your rest you the call baby
yes how be say no
the call baby dey ya yi white be no kura wetima scoop ne kakra dey na sisi we de okoye nkatenkwan abenkwan enkuruma froye
enkankale ai nkatenkwan obechiro mafia this year cabbage stew
Maza
jai
Mrs. says you are here
I want say pe obo mo nima duane ye don be kire
no be kire because
says ata we adum so aduane bi wo ho menye because we are best say
ai
we are best say
misuma company bi na misrom so mutete okay omkra de ya baby omtaye ne ana genset wa mu
yes
because kasa company no kom kinki best say pa
ba Kwame yeah edru
so baby America
ani mahu sata Kwame misuma we mo ayi barbers ne cool stuff on kan ko mo
any
hairdressers for no on kan ko mo ni ayi standby generator Kwame sata mi do mo be boka kese no
sana asafo hodi DJ ovra
hey na barbers yin so say so wo mo ma ban so Kwame dodo na nso na enim se de ede first de no ye di blade ne ayi afen edi yi nti wonya akotena wo sa na idum light out ho sa onye adwuma nye
hwe etimi de se de adrun de Kwame ye tena na strategic.
So I think say it should be a national call. For politics and to
national call na ni wo mu no na mo be politics e se Kwame me da bia me kasa ade ba ko a wo ye wa adwun se wo ye ne politics e wa ojejireje pa ba ko ye nkania
any fuel
akwan o kwa ko to fuel ye ma me busa se o ye
NDC ni ana o ye
MPP ni abu bia David e o kromo emre bi ye nyina ho kire nso ni ade na afi o kwa kofo gallon obi akura
bi
enfa so ye
o de ko salai na o ko salai o dru house mi MPP ni NDC ni ntimu ma mentem
ye nyiza
o beti
ti abasa na mo se mo me ye nyina ye nko for a common good now the ought to say
o de be politics
o be politics wow jejiji
but Kwame
jejiji
you no kwasem no say baby electricity no baby adru no de yesere mampeni yesere mampeni they say the akwa say a tag be da no so was before so be free 2016 no na dum so na dru ni peak osan bai sisi asama ni mo so osan dru ni peak dum so
there sembe kura ni amani amehu atuma amasa ya sem kura da atuma amasa ya mama papa o jene fans kakranga kra all of a sudden
jene samasa na glory babasa na suddenly dum so de
no boy aduma kakranga kra jene fans dum so say here
de oye nyina ye magana fo hubiem
akwe afibi sai
ye be destroy everything anodin nti I think say I wasn't paid for
I think Ghana for be complaining bibia mama betimada say education and saying now say current school feeding o betimada
yes
because a hono need deficiency kese ana oye kro betima say me solve say ba health but dum so ne die enyamba dia be so the papa no da
anode
cause e ya ba be kan ho
anode enti menim but I wasn't ka omu take you through say abase no
na abane sa o say
abasa mo fanye me abasa mo nyeme eti once and for all once and for all no nka yem pe solution to your power crisis no
that is why there be American Kwame nana panyin bi kura ka say wi akosombo na because of yearly extension na
yes
yes extend a power supply is good say be ma rural areas no so enya nkania but adia ba kwa yem plan say megawatts no bi na wo say etwen akọ and we should plan say ye be ma rural areas ni ebia 2000 megawatts of power I was say enya a substations and say additional either solar or whatever your creative account said your creative buimo kika ho ni etima ye expansion no but ye ha ni gain of that and it say nation Ghana nyina ye use 5000 5,000 ye nyina use ni sa extend ko other areas now by 5,500 in fa na kwa ko fefe the generation power no a free voter river for mo no e fa Greco for e fa ECG fa VR fa Nedco money ade o mo no e distribute o mo ton maye sa 5,000 na na ye di nipa 500 abeka ho enti o was o hodum kakra na yi bi ma o ye dum kakra na yi bia mo enje ye sa until say you be planning ahead. Na yenya they say some years ago anom see what thousands of SS. SS is a home, and so no expand here. You can do that expansion.
Yes.
But you don't do extension.
Yes.
You don't do extension.
Yes. Kwame, I said, "I will call crazy." Emma and Emma be bring a cost to meet him because me nim the entire look at baby I away, baby I look at you.
Yeah.
So we be more Africa, baby we are bucket sip high Ghana. Baby we are a bucket sip high Ghana.
Africa, the Kenyans will
yes, Kenya bo, but so what it in common around now? Yet the no bokra chain Kenya. Because what they call as a we call northern part of Ghana. Kwame, one more nim dry season and nim the season.
One season.
One season. So Kwame, what me know me and you really extensively about a year say, and no crown so crabby to me a supply power. Into this northern part of our country, no, I buy no. And to me, nyebri bim fan say those part no, nka yenyi omumfam free ECG mu. Yenyi omumfam free ebia konso mu. Yenyi omumfam free ZR mu. Yenyi omumfam free this system mu. Na yen develop a certain kind of system awia and a better provide you more electricity ana. Because Germany, I've been talking to a lot of people over there. And one crowd weather na yes so cold na chill no Kwame. A bit use solar as a way of getting electricity, a way of getting energy. Normally, a power of money. Ya hanum the sani money na eshugu. And we are not able to go. We are unable to like structurally say ebia honum no. And we are not say the si bono. Yanko si bribia a kind of solar panels bia. A be absorb this and we are not creating energy dia mayen. Na a section of nipa nibi, ni towns nibi no, they will rely on this solar ayi. Again, Kwame, yenim se me no me no ball ayi. You read extensively about it. Say ball ayi ni nasefo yi, or so na wo mu ni nasefo no. Ye to me turn no so into energy. Kromo ha or memu ha. Ye feature bia efi ye feature bia. Ye to me he put ball a wo me ya hodo na nyini na adane mountain. So enuti sa efi so ne bola yin so aye nim say ye betumi no so adane no abana dane ye kan say electricity no eno so ye tumi ntena say nwene ho say ye nim kura na wo mo nim no expert yi can't we import them wo mra ye ne wo ntena say net machines wo be hia ne kwan wo be fa so adane sa bola yi na no so adane heat no nanka ya pe a part of Ghana and so a woman so they will rely on that now providing electricity so that the burden on a Akosombo can be easier now. Like Yakwakwa say your maya. I say we don't want to create, we don't want to invent, we don't want to think, we don't want to like kind of like bringing things into play. Yabeka say wait there. Ya chance strategically and ya adwene and ya decide and the aba always ya kwakwa one way kwame ya kwakwa say Ghana for ya nya tese sadi na desika ba na nyina ya tuo kwakwa gusu say wom adeno etiko wia ansa na another side ni asa ya kwakwa to ye ho gusu say wom sa na ya kwakwa we are unable to create okay we yes like what is our problem at all? What is our difficulty in trying to like bring new things to existence? A bit to me aboa yankasa ya awankasa ne dey nti yama awie yi boshigu kwa yama bola yin so ayenim say no so to me generate electricity and also eshigu kwa Akosombo yinso ni ye no so ye nso a be produce light nso de amaye Kwame. Now look at what we are doing to our water bodies. So what it seems and tells us, and they say we don't think as a country, we don't think as a jene na ye nwene na ya dwene nso na enya den enya dwuma Because they say you say a huge part of your electricity now your benyano has to do with akosombo. Yeah, no so na ebo amane ba. Now we are spoiling our water bodies. Now we are spoiling our water bodies. It is say pass ensuo no so a and also supply electricity no. Kwame say ni nyina nso say ya na ka akosombo a. Afi light na ye konya no we. Afi na de ye ba bedwene. Afi na emergency thinking no so say ba be adwuma. Like I have always been saying say yakwa koye emergency thinkers nko an egu omem ha. Enti nsuo no ebe say wie na afi nso akosombo ntumi power ntumi supply electricity a. Ansana emergency thinkers yakwa akotena round table adwene apekwanye ye betumi a generate power electricity e dey ama ye hu biemu ana. Like we are insulting ourselves all of the time, and we are giving room and ways for Mrofono to disrespect us all of the time. All of the time, ya mam Mrofono who say, ya before no, ya nyene. Na sabi adwene na eda ye trimu no nso no, like ensheda nye adwuma sa. Na adwene no be ye adwuma wa bra ye ho akere yen. Say ye ho nkere yen pa, ya adwene no enye adwuma, en function ye. What? Like how? Why? How? Why? Identity. Because we have other ways panka ye bet me a generating power. A part of Ghana, one more year solar and a year juma a provider of electricity. You have solar nan a bet me provided this kind of megawatt and they are more and a part no e use solar, a part no e use electricity, a part no and I'm say ye fi ye ball ado do nso no ball ano nyina no Ghana yes sa ye de nyina nso ekogu Ghana for baby na wo nso no ye de generate power nso de e de ama e fafo no nti wo burden on the national grid no na afiri so na kwa koduru baby na fe wo nso wo rely on akosombo no na wo rely nti ye wo a wo de no ye solar ye wo de no ye we ye wo de no ye we ye wo de no ye we nti all of the time our energy sector no na nke gina ne nan so. It is time I was here geopolitics no. Just like a rustica air cano. When they are coming, woman near ideas bia wo mutrimu omo de ba. Woman near ideas bia de wo hono no mo ba be fum aba be hye aba be sei no. Asa ideas papa bia ni omutrim. And that is what we are seeing. That is what we are experiencing. Eno ne ehu no. Eno ne ehu no. Say woman for solution bia meto wo me ehu say we dey critically wo motena ase na dwene ho say NDC say MPP wo motena ase na dwene ho na wo de saade ba ya aba be ye solution e dey ama a certain sector say solve issues solve problems e dey ma Ghana for no we don't have such omo ba de wo ho no na kakra di omunima ne say Mame acquire certificate. Me party ba power manya position. Kwame that's all. But send me acquire certificate. Me party ba power ye dey solve problems ne there be. Mame acquire certificate. Me party ba manya position. Na makwa depend problems na wo ho. Makwa create problems no double triple e dey agu ha Ghana for. And that is what acquiring certificates in Ghana has become. E be from so omo ye elite nso omo solve problems womo so omo ye elite nso and solve problems womo di create problems womo di disunity na bra manfo e di create problems ahodo na omo ni elite no na omo die how no de bo omo so omo na me solve fancy hunu die ko school no be biri akwaje certificate no be biri mi wan so how na da ho na nka wo ko school aba no bra be solve no ontumi solve. And that is the reason ntia ukopie mo institutions a wo mo bukuta certificate ahodo mo so mo head no wo mo nim hwe Kwame wo mo form na wo mo certificate new bosses for wo mo na solve issues solve problems you call yourself say you oh yeah elite under my foot.
Hey.
Na Kwame Nkwantabisa den. Menka den say oh yeah elite na won to mean solve problem here. Wo elite sam na ye dey. Wo elite dia dey.
We are certificate na down solve problem.
Who could a certificate in engineering? Want to mean solve how bia, want to mean creativity bia, and found by in existence that or certificate near day. Kwame. Who could a certificate in land and natural resources? Not what assassin ankasano. Now be a okoye land minister. Okoye we. Now assassin ankasano so essay resources nankasano. Yes, no. Essay digana for them. The acquisition of your certificate in an first one day. And for so pie any day. Rather, we are using the certificate to create lots of problems for ourselves. If you do so near Timon, Kwame, you need engineers or groomer. You need engineers or mere doctors or mere professors or groomer. Obi what a certificate in Qua 5 when it comes to engineering. Engineer sector way or certificate, sector way or certificate, sector way or certificate, sector way or certificate. But I don't know about ton and so may and so on to me.
Yeah.
Problem back up 2 decades, almost 2 decades. I shall say who the main fan is 2007. Kwame Bepimon ne yin to me so the and you pride yourself in that. So we are successful government. So what administration is successful. Success no our hifa. Success no hifa. No akofa MPP, no akofa NDC. No afa MPP, no aye NDC. Dum so NPP, dum so NDC, dum so MPP, dum so NDC. Because I was who ye dum so what so there. I didn't na ne Kwame yeda so ehu, yeda so experience it. I didn't think that's so experience it. And minim say yeah, yen shada ni records and so say system no so nchire and so say okay, now the national burden, the national demand of electricity increase. And we will need ABCD near the account to meet. And now say ye make it provision. Say be ya be there to say extension no ba a bit to me meet the existing ones never minim. Kwame, it looks like we are lazy people,
very
lazy people in this country, and lazy leaders manning institutions. Lazy leaders who are emergency thinkers. Ana womo ehwe man so. Enti womo mfa solution bia ma ba bia. Dizezi awe fu onya ka no ho ketua bi asamaba. Se aduane soche ketua bi nyaba asamaba. Entokwa nya ko si ba bi ketua bi entokwa Allahu akbar subhanallah. Entokwa ba. Internet is ye oman a ye yentumi and rely on bibia say we there ye produce no we there we have enough of it we there like say bibi si wo baby akra ye ho nche ye wo ho. Oh my word of goodness. Ready hu ye mobo.
It's very sad.
Ready hu ye mobo.
It's very sad.
Ready hu ye mobo.
Kwame ya ba very in local governance structure nim. Da yahwe the current park here koso any institutions now move especially MMDCs, you know. Maybe how you see their performance and the response our modern most of a canopy 2004 2024 2025 and omo reconcile now bebre na ye debtor accrue abeguon nya behwe ye areas in various areas na ewu kwada na no me hwe sanitation kakra se so no so ahya ase eba o so na ahya ase eba na ogate dun so sasa o
Avrama faki tuwe bi adu so. Ye bibi ki tuwe bi nya ema no homene so pe akaye. Hey.
Nya. Hey. Say die minia.
Hey, oh my bempe.
Also my baby. All right, I go about Mr. Baby for the amount. I go about Mr. The capsules. A drone in here, a drone aba. A memma problem to a chat. Bema one kasa wonim sa ade no eda ho kwa odwun so fam asa fa so bia ni so bia Nyankopon amone sa Nyankopon bo se ebegina so be ye adwuma be wo ba be ye niema ze wura baby na je safe watima purum so adwun so agu the function no do so ba kokora free ma mesero ta go ha ba Mr. the capsules na edi wa kagina mu be ma wo say me de me fili o me de je se me da ho atitintim ha bibi ha Oda wa titintim say low libido oba nso se me de mini atenkan yeso mu kura on tehwe mami branch e de nsa ne nam waso achi de ne nano ne nam ba bia ni se fa nyina
yare
na wo so ni atenkan mama rasta for bro
na be ni akasa wuni atenkan
de wo ye die
yale
de wo ye die nye so nya tago he ba Mr. na salo rasta de ho ka wa se ona wa pejalo Oda adamu a wo kono yes eno de on ka chiri da kwa me so what you say
yes
on
ka chiri da na be de aka chiri on pai bi o chali
o kazofi on pai bi eti ano pai me so wa pe tago ha ba me chedi bi na wan ka chiri infections ahodo ni nyina eyi afri ho e de amount pharmacy shop drugstore bi abenya bi ato ho for 0243 228 296 0243 228 296 Tago Heba Mixture. And I'm on your birthday in term, your bear crown sana, your real for course. No, no, Nemubia. RSYD Novigi Studios, and pay. I see I can't show, say. Say about professional photography, film production. RSYD Novigi Studios and I mean come from my me so you moving so o contact you mo o mbebo o twa skirt ni de keka ho ni na no pay bomodi a o mo nkran so be bia be from bia o available 057471 5778 057471 and 0303974822 3974822 we RSYD Novigi Studio Papa Abamount and cry on Madlam Abiase off First Kokroko Street ho ana ubenya yen na oni yen edi kasubom Roman father nedro Father Martin say ba Mr. Father Martin said, "Memma was in a say him titi, and the moja ima ana as some of it too. Stroke ana chewato. Oh, sorry, I want them your honum to two. Bones I want them into two, so I am why Pijamu Crepija. Miss Onya, Roman Father Nedro, Father Martin said about Mr. So the Yanko Pon Quine. Na and no more drone be, now better say you, a do power baby. Pressure, diabetes, a boamo papa. Chronic disease be I dey adult so ache me se onko no maduro bia anya try and error enko ye test mic 1 2 eye Roman father ne duro no ana eboa o omemu afa na nyina obenya bi ato me show eye ma yade bia for 0247 919 122 0247 919 122 and 0552 668517 0552 668517 Arapa mamin kan fuma se akwada ni ko suku ana ani ana de bi mamin te wonka o ko suku mesra o mabie eye Royal King Crackers e ma King Cracker bia kwa eye Royal King Crackers ada me kan for dia mam hwe Royal King Crackers ne de enti ma ne dance chen King Cracker bia ne say I have a crispy snack, you know, taste bi wo ho a edema kwadana na panyini ababa wa branch akokra obi awibie na ye biscuit a light enya sichire na sichire gum na debi a light na utimi di don't drink bia utimi we no nko asa we ne sa wia na wabonsu aguso wa ye okay Royal King Cracker, my shop market, Namajatum, and number 1 is my favorite biscuit of all time currently there. Royal King Crackers. I don't pay Bubobi, VVB. Now one Casabon say yes. Butter a womb, the crispy. Otim says snack dia, and run King Royal King Cracker, and yet King Cracker be a kicker. Royal King Cracker. I don't pay she now to Royal and now when talk. A Royal King Cracker, na me come for mount. Na ede. Obi the hospital, how kwa many be. Obi kwa juma, many be in the bag. Car no debia for be 2 minute time, come bedo. Jina we na wa bonsu aguso na akọ driver for mate for obia bag mbia bi hye. Oya wedding kra na we hwe ya de my best man bi fa hye coat. Me du dia we ya ma ya pepe we na gre. Ah, na me no obia ne wedding time. The best man as a vortic ne kra say look up. Ya na waban bi ahwia no ne say bobo Royal King Cracker bi adopay eno na eboa wo FDF agya tum eye ade a eye kama eye biscuiti Royal King Cracker anopa sha ne so 21st clinic eye clinic on its own clinic wa doctor for omo hwe yade we omo hwe yade we nurse for ewo omo ehwe emojam omo ho omo ye massage physiotherapist for ewo ho omo so okwa he o se ha ne do fa omo twa scanner omo so ho na 21st clinic clinica yade bia nyame adomo mo hwe obu ananum ato ntimi nidi obu fever malaria typhoid ne de keka 21st clinic etinete me so an patient so said ne basiatica chromatic sciatica free 21st clinic osisi asi twenwa besu 9tem e ma di nyo ka yate kese na ebebo brane enso anoma entina fie emfa nsam nyi hu ano 21st clinic na no pe me come for the amount laboratory service can service massage machine ni wo hodom na nipa ho machine ni ye disisu so bo mu kama yi hu a o dia buso forisu na no wanhia seka wanhia 21st ankadi ye no kuma ase ye ho bo ase ye ho akra ye ho sunyan kransa techman for Meridian Bank dan dada anim kuma ase for mumra ehwa overseas yes ye ne bosoro Sompa FM bosoro Sompa FM Sompa TV bosoro ana mo bofom Alpha Radio na ne ben so pa ofri Alpha Radio filling station no aba almighty Sompa ye ne bo no mbo yase ana pe bo modern na bra you have over 15 branches of call center na baby ebe oni amoako o de free call center no 0249311311 F 0249311311 ana 0540311311 0540311311 active 24 hour a day kaden kam ka 24 economy 24 hour a day ofre omu a o de free omunna omunna obiada danina obepeke obiada dani de ona obepeke share manager dan good morning Alapa obuase momra council quarters called junction Accra momra Tantra Hill ona mo behunyen sunyani regional hospital ene sunyani teaching hospital yeni omne die nhwe brei na yenhwew na nyame ne oyaresafo bibia anya kama Alapa OCP Ghana Limited fertilizer nie OCP nie fertilizer papa die every OCP Ghana Limited fertilizer papa OCP Africa the whole of Africa mo amudua atosode enyadoa moko ntosu enwoma ne saa no ye friend vegetables sanso na mo amudua cereals eburo emo ne de keka ho mo hia OCP NPK no fertilizer no 15 OCP fertilizer no mo amudua atosode cereals vegetables no mo hia 15 mo amudua legumes no mo so mo hia OCP TSP anopai OCP eye papa ukọ baby aton fertilizer bia o de bisa OCP ho asem agrochemical shop bia oni OCP fertilizer no hwe hu yi pa because one hwe anu ama de papa arapa ma me kan foma we me kan foma de na Kingdom Herbal Center Kingdom Herbal Center na kofa tremendous capsules back tremendous no ye mama and no naturally formulated for women na de ye nie emma no esiesi ahemfie ho eyinka efiri ho ema ahemfie ne natural said de obasa so nyame de bo na to bia nnwoma ye didi nnwoma ye no ma ho esei bu okra okwa public place o use ya ne jonso bia ho no apeke white ne ade ti amannwoma asesa enti said the natural way no to bu a roma na so anya nanim nko ade ye mo wa yida because nipa nitiko wa was Michelle unya Kingdom Herbal Center tremendous what you say me the idea is me bi da say o sa akra bo akra de wa po akra e de bi ti akọ adi mu me ye tremendous cancers na eboa eyi odo bi afri ho eyi odo bi afri menstrual disorder as on menses this month about late ending of the month next month about last 2 months about infinity ho the following 3 months no ago no and also ba early just say would yensis so one hwe ya ediba yawo nti unya tremendous capsules ni bi e ma no so that Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules no so ye de ba ma mema na ye ma mema no bemben bi wo ma or just a mental stress na adwen no wo mu anse ensisi so kika nwoma bom embubom na mental stress adin kra po nyi akono no akon sexual weakness obu odma o ye wiki pa me we man bi dim bedim kobo na msi sa e be a weak emi nso sisi nye odine body nyina na ekoba ade ne mfa body no ye di ntini ye di sisie no ana ye adwuma sisie na so na ade koto na ade sore wo be pagya nwoma ye sisie wo be kwa na bebe ye sisie die ye mfa ni agro bon mod na funi body nyina egu so timi fa waste ni nya adwuma krache ugu ye ni mase o se sisie ni ye adwuma uhia eye Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules eno na ye ama more physical energy ya wo be kwa adwuma abetena radio so akotena bank akotena mazi akotwu ka ama physical energy ahoden pa uhia energy drink unya Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules energy drink the other day cause ema extra energy ema extra power so ana Kingdom garlic capsules any bitters obia nim se ansa ye ba beti Kingdom ye ba beti ginseng se ye de ginseng ay capsules ni bitters no na ye Kingdom for ni first de buy first anom de buy first no de buy over 15 years ye de buy still adrona dance ye wo mdoso over 15 years still adrona dance ye ano adin ye Kingdom garlic capsules and bitters aneboa ye Kingdom Herbal Center ko pharmacy shop bia na drugstore bia benya bi 0597298855 0597298855 0559761144 0559761144 ade anya de minton bi ma da cha ye Kingdom Herbal Center wada roma adope bubobi na Ade Akye Abia yi enwoma entimi go through emawo Kwame obi ya che die
ami adom kakra
nyoma ererem
yes
things are knocking things
Metias
things are knocking things mama no omdo musake kana na yes na ya no baba e
anya easy
so an chen kra no se ni mo betwiri I'm saying for Kwame be mo bro
oh yes MMDC is for the big and be so risika
oh be bokro no mu kro
when none were you so
man bro for say misappropriation
be risika pa be risika but e be boy juma e be bobi no mabaso
oh but Kwame
ye
ahojo na no python no on say omuyi no ewo a substation transformer no.
Yes.
Na man for we die abenkwan o we die still yes oh na say oh we wa nam da
Hey, that you.
oh come up
How are you there?
oh yes come up
Oh, okay.
de me nyan try e kraman
Okay.
ah o kra de ma try
me so de kra de ma try
me try kraman
me de obi antumi mfa say na okwaso we mfa huna me de da bi o me de ania me say se me krampa mpe ani o ba o de me try bi da
oh za come on that come mu review without knowing
piti na ko o na ma me mo musu okra say me be pebi ayeda obedi
susu jawe dubu
me be tu na odi kra me ba bisa tu obedi
se susu jawe du da be
azebo
but kade ko mu di bi frɛ
kade
naturally once I been penam
yes
and the way na soft na me say number no so eye sheep I'm so be
ojan
kesa camera
yeah se nko mo ko so ka say sheep na no come so di anka bia we
say goat ni sa red
yeah red meat no ya won tanya
and you can say go ntimi dead them ka mmire bia
na so mo ka say kra ka bia try he
and I haven't tried
sa
hey boys ya mafia
na kwa me kwa be fast food o man no fafa
o ma me di ayo apele
Ayi nana da roba nana yo
de de no boy we kwa de dey ebo obabudi if ada roba on engineer
ani
say me call voter community no
yes
no mo ye aduane o apele ne kama
yes
I'm so have to enjoy some
yes
I dey no mo na say
ba masa say do ye o musi di ba plan de kama o ma plan de minim
masa
o yen kama
masa
na me say ye duru hwa nana se mbenti that time so ye ni mpenifo pa so na akọ na se mpenti na o se de mpenifo no esigi ade no ho pa na Kwame satan no say satan na wuni movement no ye de kakra bompa ne na se fo awradi na ne nyankopɔ awradi na ne nyankopɔ
right na nyame
Kwame pedifu
ai
pedifu radio sikiso ba ma fo anu yobodo
she
aba fo anu yobode aba fo anu yobode pa
eti Kwame yesi omu yi omu no omu amfa omu ankwankore no omu yetu
okay
pythons no omu yetu anon se eya na nsem wane ho ye den because of fet ni we no tobia mu wachi pansa no makofo maba ti omunye omusa no mde omuko Kumasi zoo na wo aya ti omde omuko zoo ti yomanwe ti mu amoye
na we dia bekwan
na we dia wiade na we be say ogo media no so akwa mijai na ni obi e kan de
atanu so no ma check whiskey ahodo omode be face say ana
masa obi krasi we de ni local power wiade na
white one no Davi
mini pagana ni bia okora bo se no rescue or they said you must see move us e radi mi kroma ka be dia ya be kwan
kabedi o ya be kwai
ade but why ya be kwan grab o ze o ya ho eti misra mo Ghana de o ye mistake abo e do ayan kwan o ba we de om kozu Kevin hwese o benya ya kan say check it we no zoo no picture no omuda ho very nice pa Kwame very and I'm so we there o my idea pa
o man fan twomo num
o man fan twomo num de ko zoo
da bi say o my lucky so o mo chie aboa no ye lucky so o mo chie no town center
aboa no so ho afa
Kwame me so we lucky say ya no town center.
Obi say mamu kuno no obi na
obi boso na obi boso be de nkuruma
obe de o enkradi ke be no kuntem eni bi da bre no oba be ke kan light
mama so oba ke kan light oba say ho na wo yi
fight on you
wow
mienu pa hojo entine very dangerous
mo ado
mo rescue mo like because some mo fast do
yes
you feel mo treat mo very fast kwa me wo nie ti zoo hoda omuguo no and omu ye de omu nyina ko zoo
na obepɛ de wo krum
obehwe krum kakra enti say wa wo pe bia hwe ahodwofo ECG for substation no mkwezi de omu nyina kwa koguzu omu ne guo no
wow
can't get this of GNA let me nya picture
we nyini ombe nyini abe akase no oish
omu ni python ti obenhu bi da ode ne kwa ode ne kozu wa we kra no pe my am zoo ifo ba o also mbe hu me ode omu kozu wa obenya bi ama o ma hwe
also mbe ya mamre
wa ode omu kozu a o man hu bi da we can see betim de omu akwa akwa python
na Kwame
emwane
zoo ho ai sa ai lion ni tiger omu sa they are more different
oh yes omu no press kwasem de ba omu
okay
na eni ho bebre say Yesu na na ekosuja line
yes
omu say bia wu bia week and all that omu kwa still amogo omu hwe empire so de bebre empire so de obenya
empire there so omu pedo do headquarters there omu mra be chiro mbe
kwa me ho so de ni dosu
omu ni une there
e ho de ni dosu
we fi une
akwa say school of the bat Batman school
school of the bat
well we are district assemblies now the purpose of a district assemblies aban we ba ye no wa Jessica before say omufanya legacy projects that those legacy projects in a projector abanda dan ebi o abanda dan be sha ase but o man you know omuko and we cannot leave those projects there emma projects in say kwa to your MMDC oba you identify those projects now why as project you can say legacy project but agenda 111 is not part of the legacy project you are doing. And most of agenda 111 na ye hu no our districts no Kwame ya abandon no ana ye market our various district capitals tieu
so mo di be 24 hour
the concept of the 24 hour no but in the said 24 hour market a hospital bebem there will be a mini clinic or a clinic there will be a bank and no bank in a crowd there a man bank women development bank you know. There will be fire station, there will be crèche school kakra kwada no one or woman no kojomo betima koja o mana e honum. There will be a sanitation or refuse dump area ombetimi di omumra ni ade akwa gugu. Beautiful, the plan is beautiful, and they are doing it in district capitals, you know. Because we go no baby a projects be sometimes citing where we cited the project no at the chroma for ni be hwamo and up to now those projects enya hu emfa so pa bia also so this a very good to say on the district capital or a place the proximity is good for everyone, a place accessibility very easy. And they are doing it at advantageous position. Wow, odu nyoma bia baby accessible and you can access the area. Ya anyane sa there are areas bi kura hod mo de omo market ho dada. Enti ya pam mo afro ne ba baye. What you say? O ya pam o zo kosunya bosu market ho no mbaye no. You say it was market already but they are developing the area say Baba modernized one, and it's a good idea. But if you are doing this if you are doing this and we are abandoning ahead agenda 111 hospital, ebi wo 98% complete. Sometimes me drew baby na me who some of these clinics are. Na me raho. Ebi wo dia, ebi wo pa me say, ohwe baby ebi dia drew pa na ohwe bi ani se wampi na oho no no ane oho a na agenda 111 no MPP a also mo pam no enu 80% also enisa mo tuma ni biem because osoro ahinde no ya fa na nieden so wona wani eden no enya na nieden so enti ya den na MPP timi fight ane de adru 98 ebi de adru 90 akaka kria bi a wose ye so so na ye operation
na wo de 30 kura
na de 30 de za akwa bi a minim ne de 30 kura nuye tu no onsi ye onyampuntu o lobby di aba obi e lobby bi nso awso adwuma no bi di wo pa kwa me yenye wode wo pa ena sa time do bia no DC MMDC bia wanti me anwe ne de no en rules 80% ekọ no obepempia mamontoma ne da onye agent of development. There are some of them who draw out to me say even they on say there be say percent clinic be and a hospital be that ko pay you bibia unhu even University of Ghana Medical Center and this is a buy chance here no e got a point in time also na na do dan ko kufa do MPP aban beto aso until we start from somewhere we get to somewhere and we develop it.
Yes.
Hospital bia ni wa enya na ho kade nyina si da even emu aye witnesses esie komenhia kobuso problem bra suntraso go to other they all have problems but what me can tell me say bia the minute or normal kitinkiti bia yenya yinti we cannot operationalize a clinic no we cannot do that then you are telling me say clearly it is because say enya wo na wo sha ase you want to end it enti enya anwoma na enwu ho auto time ade ono no sha ase no ebeba power anabe that is not good development. Yes, I need to develop your mind. That is not how we develop any nation. If we really want to develop her, and those ones are yet jaya gu ngure mu hono. As I say in Kenya, Kumasi Zoo for ready pa because I want to cry on Python dia. Agenda 111 areas any jatan nyina ebenya bi. Because the way we are abandoning these projects, no. Me say udru sakla me on. Kabe hwehwe sakla me mami. Udru wa na wo ra ho. Edaya yesi ye de ama oni bi mobroni aliso kakra beba. And politicians ya tena ho say obi ama diska ebi ama contract ni say ana twetwen ye bosa na take legal yinda tenda pasa. Go to the rooms and see. Uko rooms na pipe ho bebere o matwitwa pipe ntini say no metal one o matwitwa. Go to those places why yourself ho o matwitwe bi. Even a kwanya omu yetoto ho how omu lay out the roads kakra na yetimi ye no sika na omu di ndi allegedly sika na omu di no madiko ba kakra na omu kase omu ye no e kwan ne se ne de dam kota ya tile honum kama ewrem e honum crash as ye tutu cause because enya active no so ton kan ewrewra form and all that no na fe ya say editorate. That is how we are living our projects there. And I was them. We were here. And as Sukuya, E block. Yes, I know friend. Those E buildings, you know. Every time I'm touching my hot man, I'm saying me for Bakumasi. Bakubi pa me shut dina. Na baby, tell you see no my dino. Now see Jesus Christ, what is happening to us? It is not a matter of say, your project. Because of men were also me one pan say, ye share project as here, ni wie no ye be kwan wo ho ase aban na oteso nyo no ane ho a sometimes no cry the same line no because we've seen some before where Akufo started the project NDC ba omamwa MPP ba onso amwa till some interventions be ma fe ye kan ya asa no mu complete bi. It is known to all of us. Me say ya kan one district one factory no cry the eighth time. And next week we have to go into that. One district one factory in there ebi oroma mini ba ku bi aboga bi ba ya. The guy invested so much. Everybody na ne why emre. The little push that he will get from government to complete the agenda 111 up to now ukodura Kwame enuani bi na wiem blog ni bi shaha we shahada ade kakra no mu ye no SSA. So I ask myself say what is the sense in it? Sabi nyansa be ni wom say ya be hwe project bebre asem yentimi nye awa branka kakra na ya benya dodo awura na emom kete wese do ya hyase ne ye wie ya I would have saved the taxpayer a lot of money. Enti with agenda 111 ne kra no say ye say oh yenye first 50 na yen said the next one say ye wie na ban no fofia nto atawu no adware abamu say whatever can at least yenya some that has been completed at the whole. But look at what is happening. Very nice idea. Fantastic project. We have abandoned all of them. Etokwa one district one factory. Ya mutu. The car yana was in for boami yen. Akanwurem. Agenda 111. Akanwurem. Planting for food crowd the crowd the move mu. Say cars and Huawei. So sometimes the number of projects that we start, initiations are initiatives are ba. Then we cannot complete it. What is the essence? Because Ghana ya dream no somewhere be say enye media to mean complete. And His Excellency John Dramani Mama gave us hope say and found one in your year or beto. But is he ready to do that agenda 111? Is he ready to do that one district, one factory? These are issues what's a yekohun as Ghanaians. These are relevant issues, sir. We have to be asking questions about them. Na ye hodu abino. These are things. These are things we should be asking questions. Anya we na be sabotage we ana we na koye we and the pythons in that me sabotage nkania. Look at the myopic thinking that sometimes you have. How can you tell me say obi na akwakwose akosobo how? Ya mompa na yinimra investigations nimra because matese fire ye ne de old engineers ne so akomo so yo mu de and all the relevant stakeholders also mbemu mabem. But how? How? Sometimes ya dwen no se ne esi dwen no kra me dwen wa menti ase. Menti ase o. Nipa no se o hye ho se be ya o MPP nyampp aban be ba na ase. Menti ase. The fact kra say when who so be sabotage, what have you done about it?
Catching nipa ne.
Or you want to give the dog a bad name and hang it? Me, that me great pass. They are paying for ya, so me they are supposed to know better, and they are doing some of these things. Then I'm worried. I am worrying for all of us. It's not a single day. But say this is development. The development will come for all of us. Development in a ma yenjina. Yenya NDC MPP 7 yen we die yen ka se we die akwan bia so awse ye fa kwan bia so ye wie sa project yi awse ye fa kwan bia so but ye be na we buy ana mo kra mo buy na o dan no mo ye dey ana bi mo diska ana bi e say ana kasasa na 4 years aso tie ya na 8 years aso. You see, kasa ne dosu chen hoyo. And that is what is worrying us. That is our problem as a nation. So we are not making the leaders responsible because omen himself ba ya ya wo form anu. Yendwen gwache we will defend them. Tinse hunu bia no bia beke kan ya je adi na ya ya wo form anu enkun. No mo ti suro. No mo num tea de pie. What is wrong with us? Anything that is project shouldn't be partisan politics. Anything that is project when it comes to development. Parliamentarians no matter ntoko mbeko no parliament no. Eba salary increment and allowances be also mdu. Eduro omu nyina kan bom. Onte would no ma sign no ma kwaji edi. Baya e wo forman. I wish say can so anything that is a development. Say akwan bi ana contractor bi e de ma no wanye ana obi a hye ne san wanya. No matter who the person is, yenyi nipa ne mra bonten, then we deal with the person. But you have this side because it's from my party or yenya ban ye de ma no contract nti ye be defending no. Because it's not from my party, but there are things that we will fight over, and there are things that together we will fight for. And every you fight over it. But if we are a common goal, let's fight together for development. How can you tell me, say? And then now no mesha say eka say. Mira kumasi edru anwumra bola na esisi ona ma ho bon ama kro ni munya fe edru anopa na ma na be boaboa no opize to dum ho ba bi no ma boaboa no esi o yenya ka befa. And people are saying say ebia zuba na me attack for what nyana dwuma no no na no obo because san kania ma me bona baso but wa ye na de ne bon wa mose ma menka. And when we said it nana mu di o ma no betu mu ka say indeed. And as a good leader, also have a task force. Yeah, Renania, China, me corners or yen task force, near Hobon, Messa Bonnie, Yamaka, opening a yatronic dear Becan, Obecan. Send a pumpum to a bebo also dear smooth. Yaka said, your Becan on ye. And that is development. But Ope said, Nemupe said, Bukaya, yes, she say. Uko who are dear name your own can because say, oh, yes, you are stepping on someone's toes. Or be party, you know. What kind of, from that myopic thinking? What kind of behavior is that? And yeah, the sir, yes, sir. Yeah, but my MDC is enough for Mwedi. Mayor for DC for MC for Bemoma for Mwedi. Tomu di se hunu kura ye timi nka. Na motete wa na drip machine was in Ukraine say, a year you're going so bad between. Yenya rollers, FIFA so na cars and team. Na mo nko ho na ene OMC de bekwa akosi mining site bi no de akoya gala na wanya ka credit a montana ho. You have to ask questions. Me hu ya mass drip machine ye hu. You ask questions. Let us make our leaders accountable. Because man try ye be mo didi good say na de bia we are suffering no. That is not how leadership has to be. Who your main papa, you have to ask questions. Odi amam kwa akoye gala no fa chire be sa bete ne to. Mwanya musika wi bete ne to. You see, ya anya sa. And obi onso a onim ho hwe set machines te se nanom is it papa yo buy ombeka se odi machines isi galamsey site na ye toro ye ko hokko hwe ade na ye toro na no kure bi ani sa fe no de be ko dia fine but that's the time mum kan ko na machine no ho e ta no papa no ba oba o show so Kwame DC for no ne mama you waste fu kwa sa fe no de be cause so otese e ba no yi firi odi ado no but there ye tro anopay Yenra district ni
Kwame ma me na sin seven work ka bibiri na o ka say nyina question na pop it through my mind na makipon na me bisa me ho ne say nti say Ghana has ye ka say ye share project bi ase a ya ye ko secure fund at the to sika na available na say sika no kra nya available kra na ye wo sa channel na ye be ka say project we kwan we near faso a secure sika no nti say a year 5 years and ye be faso e de asia 5 years na ye be faso e de asikura na sika no efiri ha nti at any point at any time bia no we will go and then take the money from that place na fi ye de aba to program no so and now say ye ka say ye be project na say ye nya shase ya sika ye be boss ye de be shase no asa eno ano no ye ni sika no se ebia eda ho anase efiri ha na de ba agi se aban na eba be ye ne de betu na namon sa na or fight up and down se project ni aban ne de ne mum enyo ban ne de enti no ba bi obefa bi anya ne sika no eho no kwa akofa na because I was just questioning a lot of things in my head. I was asking a lot of questions. Yeah, nam pese mi hunu se saint ya because agenda 111 no. Minim di enti ya yen pese ye beto aso anase yentumi nto aso. Ana aduru babia ye duru na. Yen hu ani da so bia wo ho se ye beto aso ne yesisi. Ana abai no wan secure sika no anto ho dada. Ana se babia sika ne be free ama ye de asi agenda 111 no abai ne free so no ya close sa agab no ana abai we nso baaye no wan behu se policy documented da ho nie na hia se ye to aso nie enti na opeso abandon nana because ya na mentiase kwan ya fa so ye politics wo ye memo ha meni obi no nyina yenim se sa e-block ya ban ya otisu ye o shase ya free so de koye no si etumi complete ye ene serve the purpose yes fine esi akire de but o man no so tra na etre developer na develop sisi ana manfo sisi dan edi ko akire ntinka akire bi yensi dan nu ho no school na nya nhini dada o wona sase dada nya fe no obepre apa asase nti the vision for that still exists continuously na ye to aso near building agenda 111 the vision for that ayira na enye Ghana for na eba be hwe nye timamfo na ebe se omo yade nye Ghana for na eba be ko ho akogya yare hwe ana se asesa aban foforo ba yenti asesa nti ebe ye MPP fo nko na be ko no makogya yare hwe ne ayare sa wo ho enti ehun hia biem sa aban yi be to aso ana sometimes ojune hwa onti ase na ora ho won say na ase wo gu ahome agu so because you don't have the power unni hweye tino ahome no aye e de agu so menti ase sa 24-hour economy market ya yesi for purpose of ever body congestion ewe ye memo ha na minim say if indeed the 24-hour economy e betumi aba be the congestion dey fear memo ha and no say asem foforo because we've allowed them so omontina hwa and 24-hour economy no kwame yamfa agronto nchen no kwasem ne se etumi ye na ejina ne nan so a obi be kwa kobie mo obi obebi obeka se wa wo ton toast bra beji store wa ha wa wo ton body bra beji store wa ha wa wo ton we bra beji store wa ha it is no longer going to be the burden of the government. Etoda mi nim adwene a go into this decision making. I thought that me nim ti ya na mpese me reserve on your because it gets you emotional to the point they say one measure who ya and somewhere be pf one no when we are be somewhere emu she na hardwe. But then decision makers always does things what in China ebe man semi be pf one no to that na enye. There's a lot to talk about. But Kwame, what the mami fancy? Mami fancy.
Okay. May I say? All right. May I say? Ma yentiem free abonting. Na major area development ben na so what is the state now? Send them your message and district. You share potem 0548 931 0554 931 Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Naboko there.
Aba yakofa ya ni dio. Yakofa ya ni dia ka dia. Abai fun we be ya so. Ama ya wato yo. Sanse bibi ankoye do kromo. Afa unya be ma ba ko pe. Obiska gude lobi ti mo kwata so.
Good.
Afa oba kwata so dia ya mo bo.
Oh.
Obusa se empunto enjuma be ne ko so wo ye constituency. Afa ba unyi ni place we MCU kromo. Every wada. Ofa wada o. Ene ya kwa nyina wo kwata so nyina nye. Mi ho ana na da kwa kufado. Drip machine. E ba se ye fa se ya kwa. Ofa me sira wo de mo fa wo wia soma o jinna le stemra. Ayi atuma kufodi atuma boko kwa no. Ofa I said beyond ayi replace. And the question no I say like more about 4 days ago 5 days ago. Ka bo po the more ayi some time go over been ko was it was to akwanda say he was a little one for the way. And pan born when you know I know quite because a point in traffic you can say like classes and 19 you do can hear over. They say no near my cost was of a banana BBO. They say 24-hour economy and more can 178. So economy okay so whatever up a month bumping in work and help my and a 24-hour economy that you also and over that to you know and and bazaar and I hear you because a human is a you of about to say you the place will come I take your mama didn't tell me so was I know and then you do so. And no man can say the light of more. And now what I say my light of in a demo and a paper 6 and almost of what is going on. I just can't also. I buy it in fact you see it to me. Yeah, cannot see I got black and white. And I buy for the mama only legacy in government. You do so. But I do upon you so upon and give me a pump on 2016. Yes, I'm for Nipa we have a problem for the nation to do upon. And then anyone wants a Ghana for you in so because of a baby another double for the Netomia, and he said, Mine put you know, I figure, yes, I'm for
May I say, thank you. ML Smith say good morning, and then Filippo say, Kwabre, Nkasem, Nana, Memamu, Dumso, Ya Mahama. And this is everything, Basa. Greetings to my daughter, Frimpon Manson, and my mother, Auntie Mary of Jenny So, yeah. Filippo Nadiwe by live from Germany, more fire. Isaac Akroma. Hey. Isaac Akroma, you just said live from Germany. Okay, thank you. So, na birthday so kakra gumechi. Yenhwe na yenwuramu na menyi birthdays no free ho. Yenyi birthdays no free ho. Kevin, happy birthday to Hajia Umi Kalsum. Hajia Umi Kalsum. Inside Tadi. I wish you a fantastic day. Love you so much. So young Ajia, today is your birthday. Happy birthday. May Allah bless you and guide you. And happy birthday to Benedicta. We are receptionist at Good Life Fitness Center. Bennett, today is your birthday. Happy birthday. May God grant you peace. May God see you through all that you do. It's a beautiful morning. Have a blissful morning. This is coming from Anafi. Hey, Anafi is only Good Life. The obo. They says happy birthday to you. And then happy birthday to Opoku Kusi Kevin Bosu, the unit committee chairman, overseas electoral area. Unit committee chairman, overseas electoral area. Bosu, happy birthday, Kevo. Man, Yakupong, Edward Sa, Yamisha, and Yakaso so. Why be man Yamimas Cabebre? Don't mark what Tintia Pum Dium. Happy birthday, bro. And happy birthday to David Donko. This is from Owusu Clara. Owusu Clara says happy birthday to you, David. He says enjoy this wonderful time. Happy birthday. And to Nana Boating, happy birthday to you. Atefijase, this is from Lizzie. Lizzie said, Nana, happy birthday. May the best that you wish for come true for you. Happy birthday, Nana Boating. And happy birthday to Prince Aga from Madame Veronica Fashion Fashion at Asokore Mampong. Madame Vero says happy birthday, Prince. Enjoy this day with God's blessings, God's favor, and more of life to you. More of life to you. Happy birthday, Sir the Prince Aga. Enjoy your day. And happy birthday to Chama baby this year, I don't know. Kwakunye communications officer hopeful. For no Southwest constituency. From Sompa morning show crew I say happy birthday. Baby this year, Jabi married election or communication super dope. She said, I mean, say on 400 cheaper, amount qua tinting, amount and that's so. Baby, we love you so much. Baby, this year, Kwaku, enjoy this day from the entire Sompa morning show crew. And say happy birthday to you. And happy birthday to Obapa Susie. Obapa Susie, this is from Kosi Anthony, Menchia North Constituency Youth Organizer. And Kosi say, on my happy birthday, or say Yami Enshamau, or Sessa the Ebecoso Wenumsa, that Yami Amanishano Ebu Council, and I would day about what that pa, more official pa. And happy birthday to Eliana Abena Kunedu Opoku Mami K. This is from Auntie Doris to you. Mami K. Auntie Doris loves you so much. She says happy birthday. Grow to become a very good person, a superstar, and a blessed person that God wants you to become. Become who God wants you to become. Happy birthday, Eliana Abena K. Opoku Mami K. With your auntie ho another mom. On that note, you know BBR senior fact mediano NCR Orlando Powers Nkumsa Prince afei team ni nyina I ready anopay waki jinamu gidi di osom no bro. Ya from na Kwame Nkwantabisa Zipremu amanfo Nkwantabisa ni na me shaw na